Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today we will talk about how to grow pansy and care for it. Let's get started. Introduction to pansy. Pansies are types of viola, and are known for their heart-shaped, overlapping petals. They also range in brightness, patterns, and beautiful colors. Pansies are perfect for you if you want the perfect flowers to grow during winter and fall. You can use these flowers as bouquets, on your garden beds, or even in different cuisines, as they are edible and provide color to drinks, salads, and even cakes. When and where to plant it. Pansies grow well in partial shade, or full sun to thrive more. You can plant them in any spot or container. It would help if you planted them in rich and loose soil to grow to their maximum height. Since they feed heavily, you should mix the soil with mushroom compost to give them a good growing start. If you're planting them in containers, ensure that your containers have drainage holes to give them the perfect moisture they need. Additionally, plant your pansies in portable containers to easily carry them to a shade when the temperatures get slightly extreme. How to plant pansies. If you're using pansy seeds, prepare your containers or pot a few weeks before its planting season. Make a drainage hole at the bottom of your container. Fill your container with the potting seed or starting mix. Then sprinkle your pansy seed evenly on the container and cover them gently, about a quarter inch into the soil. Cover your container with a lid and transfer it to a dark place, as they need darkness to germinate. Before planting pansies, it's best to know that different pansies will grow better depending on different planting seasons and the size you will be planting. For pansies that belong to the bush variety, space them at least 15 centimeters apart to grow freely. For pansies that belong to the trailing variety, space them between 20 to 25 centimeters. You can also apply this technique if you plant your pansies during spring. If you're planting your pansies in pots, ensure that you add some compost to improve the healthiness of the soil. How to care for it. Favorable growth conditions. To ensure that your pansies germinate from the soil when they are healthy, add fertilizer to it to make it light and fluffy for them to grow. To care for them, ensure you water them so that they can be established. However, do not overwater them as they will turn yellow and rot. You can pinch the pansy's base and stem with your thumbnail when deadheading them to bloom nicely. Thanks for watching.